of 3 IEBC commissioners has revealed a legal vacuum in the replacement of commissioners. The law only provides for the first appointment of commissioners, but leaves some gaps on the recruitment of commissioners in the event of vacancy, such as the resignation that we have all seen. But all is not lost. The country still has several options to explore to save the embattled body. Rita Tinina now has that report.
Looking at you, even on the other.
Monday's resignation of IEBC Vice Chair Constance Maina, Commissioners Paul Kurgat and Margaret Mochanya may have thrown the ailing electoral body into the ICU. And just how to give new life to the IEBC, which lost Commissioner Rosina Kombe, who quit last year, it appears, is posing a challenge of its kind.
There is no legal framework for either constituting or the replacement of even one single IEBC commissioner.
The Constitution and the IEBC Act 2011 are explicit in the first appointment of commissioners, which in this case happened in a 2.5-month process, which took place from October 2016, when President Uhuru Kenyatta appointed 9 nominees to the IEBC selection panel. Now, how to constitute an IEBC selection panel for the recruitment of commissioners for the 4 vacancies will require amendments to the first schedule of the IEBC Act.
The previous law that was amended in 2016 had given authority to appoint the selection panel to, among other offices, to the office of the Prime Minister and the office of the Kenya Anti-Corruption Advisory Boards. Now, these 2 offices are not in existence today.
Kiambu MP Jude Njomo may have seen the situation coming. He has already drafted a bill that could come in handy.
This bill has already been authorized by Speaker. It has gone for pre-publication. It has been discussed by the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee.
The bill proposes that the selection panel should constitute 5 nominees by religious organizations, 4 by the Parliamentary Service Commission. Already, divisions are emerging over who should constitute the panel.
As Parliament, that we must be able to have a situation where members of the commission, IEBC Commission, will be selected by political parties.
But even when the selection panel is constituted, replacing the commissioners will take some time, from the advertisement of positions, recruitment, shortlisting to vetting.
So that will take about 50 days.
Some MPs have proposed the removal of the remaining commissioners through a petition that Majority Leader Eden Duale says may be a long, drawn-out and tedious process. There are also calls for the resignation of the remaining 3 commissioners who still have 4 years, 7 months to go in office, an option that the country picked in the year 2016, when the government and the Isaac Hassan-led IEBC negotiated a send-off package which saw 9 IEBC commissioners resign.
You can get a negotiated exit, just like Isaac Hassan.
Whether through the law, a petition, or a negotiated exit, it is one of those rare occasions that MPs from the ruling coalition and the opposition speak in one voice: the need to overhaul the electoral body, a crucial office which appears jinxed. Rita Tinina, KTN News.